class. Good afternoon, good evening. No matter what time of day it is, don't worry. No matter where you are, don't worry. It's never too late to learn calculus. So, I'd like to thank everyone and all our viewers for tuning into Calculus 101. Today, I'll be your head professor, Professor Hashemul. So, once again, let me remind you, this is Calculus 101. Not pre-calc, not Calculus 2, this is Calculus 101. So, I'm going to teach you guys one of the most fundamental formulas you will need to master calculus. The formula is the chain rule. Now, before I get into teaching you about the chain rule, I must first teach you guys the history of the chain rule. So give me a quick moment and let me grab my dictionary book. Sorry for the long wait, class. So, calculus, chain rule. Let's look in the index. Chain rule, page 7. Okay. So, chain rule was first from... Nah, I'm not gonna teach you guys this. This is ridiculous. Alright, so I'm gonna cut to the basics and let you know how to use chain rule, what the chain rule is, and when to use it, okay?
Hello class, and welcome back to Calculus 101. Professor Khan is not here right now. He's probably messing around with his wife right now. So I'll take over. My name is Professor Escotto, and we're going to continue where we left off, explaining how the chain rule works. First, before I give you an example, I'll explain how it goes. Let's suppose we have x to the square. We're going to bring, where x stands for the complicated part, we're going to bring 2 down. So it'll be 2 to the x times the derivative of whatever that complicated part is. I hope you get that. So let's show you a problem. Will be, let's say we have f of x is equal to x to the 2 plus 5x squared. We're going to let u stand for this complicated part right up here, so it'll look like f of x is equal to x to the u. Let's go over here. U, we got to find u prime first before we find what the derivative of x is. So u is equal to 2 plus 5x squared. Oops. I know my handwriting is bad, don't laugh. So u prime would be, the derivative of 2 is 0, plus, we bring down the 2, that would be 2 times 5x. So u prime is 10x. So now the derivative of x would be f prime of x is equal to, what was it again? Yes, sorry, I should have brought some soda or something. I'm kind of tired right now. Would be x. We always repeat the problem. X to the 2 plus 5x squared times 10x. And I hope you all got this. It's not that hard, I hope. If you're not falling asleep. Alright, so we're going to move on to the second problem right here. It's a little more complicated, but we can get through this. So, first we're going to go, I hate chalkboards. It'll be 2 to the 7 x to the 4 plus, yes, I got it, to the x. And now we all do the derivative of the inside, which should be, what is it? So yes, we first got to bring down the 4. So it'll be 4 times 7 is 28 x cubed plus the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And that's the second problem. Hope you guys learned something today. It's very important when you go later down, when you move up in calculus, because I don't know, you just need to know it.
My bad. I was busy with, never mind. Sorry class, I'm late. Thank you, Professor Escotto, for, taking over. What were you teaching them? What is this, log? This is not calculus 2. It's calculus 101. This is for you and stuff. Sorry class. So, sorry for Professor Escotto, whatever he taught you guys. Let me quickly erase everything. And let's get back to calculus 101, where no log and everything is needed, because that's for calculus 2 and beyond. Okay. There's two types of chain rules where two types of problem it will be applied. The first one I'm going to teach you is the quotient rule. Since we're running out of time, the class is almost about to end. I'm not going to explain what the quotient rule is, but let me just tell you, you only apply the quotient rule when you have a division along with the chain rule. I'll show you a problem where the chain rule is applied in the quotient rule. So the basic formula for the quotient rule is f prime of x equals to f prime minus f g prime over g squared. Now the problem will be d of t, or which is basically f of x equals to, 3t plus 4 over 6t minus 7. 4. Okay, so the first step, you take the prime. So this would be your f, and this would be your g. And you would basically, and don't forget this whole thing would be your big X. So we're just gonna first use it to find the derivative of this would be 4 big X times big X prime. Now, so in the big X, you sub it since we're running out of time once again, I'm just going to cut to the chase and show you how to use the quotient rule for this problem. So let me erase right here and let me rewrite. So t minus 7. So this is what the big X is. And here, again, this would be f, this would be g. So you have, and then you're just going to find the basic derivative. So you're going to have, 3t plus 4 prime and 6t minus 7 minus 3t plus 4 and 6t minus 7 prime. So here, when you do the when you find the derivative, this is going to cancel out for your simple number, and then t over here simply becomes 3. This is going to be 3 minus 7 minus, I'm going to do this, again, derivative, it's going to cancel this out, and it's going to 6. And you're going to bring the 6, so it's going to be 6, 3t plus 4. Sorry for my handwriting, but this is basically the answer. And so this, I'm just going to substitute this in. X 3 plus 4. And don't forget the g squared of the g, which is this, and that is so I hope you guys learned a little bit more something about the chain rule from tuning into this video. And let's thank Professor Escotto for coming in and replacing me. But I hope he didn't confuse you guys. If you did, please dislike the viewer and give us your comment that Professor Escotto ruined your life, and I will surely take it up on him. But again, my name is Professor Hashemul from John Jay College, and chain rule, guys.